Alright guys, welcome back once again to SAC tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send and receive crypto, okay, be it Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB or any other crypto at all. But in this video I'm going to use Dogecoin, okay, because that's the only asset I have on my Bybit account. Okay, so we're going to use Bybit, and then we're going to use Bybit to send out my Dogecoin to another wallet address. Okay, so let's get into the video. First, all you have to do is to locate your assets page, okay, and then select withdraw. It's the same as Binance, KuCoin, Bitmart and the rest. Okay, it's the same process, so don't get confused. Okay, okay, so we head on to sports, because that's where all my tokens are. That's where the Dogecoin is. Okay, so this is my wallet on your screen now. That is my Trust wallet on my screen now, as you can see. Okay, so what you're going to do is you click on copy on the Trust wallet, then you find somewhere and paste the address. But because I'm using from PC to mobile, so I don't know how I'm going to scan the QR code, so I forwarded the address to my computer right here. So this is the address. Okay, so you click on copy, and then you paste in the address. So this is the Dogecoin address. Oops. Copy. Yeah. Click on withdraw. Okay. You click on withdraw. Then you paste in the wallet address here. After this, I will do everything on the mobile phone using Trust Wallet. Then you can understand how it's done very easily. Okay, so it's not complicated, it's very simple. I just have to get the concept. Okay, so I'll paste in the address. Okay, and chain type is Dogecoin. So there's a fee in crypto. There's a transaction fee for any transaction you make, whether BNB, Bitcoin or USDT. Every transaction you make, there's a fee, but most of them are just minor amounts. Okay, just some little fee you have to pay. Sometimes 10 cents, 5 cents, 20 cents. And the highest, I think, on the Ethereum network, which sometimes goes to $10 and $20 and above. Okay, so this is my address. This is the chain. Okay, so this is the fee I'm going to pay, $5. $1 is currently 6 cents, so $5 will be like 30 cents roughly. Okay, so I want to withdraw all my Doge, so I'll click on all. Okay, then I'll click on submit. Okay, so make sure the address is correct. Okay, make sure the address is correct, because if you send funds to the wrong address is irreversible. You can't get it back. Okay. I think it's correct. So click on submit. Okay, two-factor authentication. Okay. No, this is a centralized exchange, so that's why you have to do the two-factor authentication and all that. And you are using a decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and the rest. You don't have to go through all this kind of stuff. Just a PIN code or your fingerprint, then that's it. Okay, so let's key in our two-factor authentication codes. Okay, let me see. So after everything, click on confirm. Confirm. It says withdraw application submitted. So we receive our Dogecoin in a few moments. So that's it. We are waiting for our Dogecoin to reflect on our Trust Wallet. Okay, now as you can see, our Dogecoin has reflected. Okay, our balance has been reflected and added to my Trust Wallet. So that's it. That's how you send crypto from one address to the other. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can send and receive it on your mobile phone. Okay, the one we did is just from an exchange like Bybit, Mex, KuCoin, Binance to another address. Okay, of course you can send from Bybit to KuCoin, Bybit to Binance, Bybit to Mex. Just the only important thing is the address. Okay, doesn't matter where it's going. The only important thing is the address. So that's it. Now let's get to the mobile phone and let me show you how it's done. Guys, so we are back on our Trust Wallet. Okay, so let's say this is our Bybit or KuCoin or Mex, and we want to transfer some tokens from this wallet to another wallet or another address. So it's just simple. Now all what you have to do is locate the address you want to send the funds to. Let's say we want to send Doge. Okay, so we want to send Doge. Okay, so this is the transfer we just made from our Bybit to our address. Okay, so just go locate to your address. Fortunately for us, our address is within the phone. Okay, I have another wallet here which is main wallet 4 or code 3. You can use any of them. Okay, so let's use this one, code 3. So search for Dogecoin or Doge to pop up. Click on that, then click on receive. Okay, there's nothing here to send. So we are receiving, so click on receive, then copy the address, click on copy. Okay, so one thing about the blockchain technology is that the method is always the same. Okay, whether you are transferring from exchange to another exchange or exchange to address like we just did, sorry, exchange to non-custodial wallets like we just did, or any other method, the method is still the same, the process is still the same. So let's copy the address. Okay, now we will locate our Dogecoin. Okay, wallets, it's on main wallet 5. I think that's where my tokens are. So let's locate Dogecoin. Okay, so this is Dogecoin. Okay, so now we have Dogecoin here and we want to send some of it. Okay, just click on send, then paste in the address we just copied. Okay, then let's enter any amount of Doge we want to send. Let's say we want to send everything. Okay, click on max, then click on continue. You can also customize it to dollar rates. Let's say we want to send $1. Okay, $1 will be 15 Doge. All right, so that's it. So let's say we want to send $1 worth of Doge. Okay, so type in $1, then click on continue. Let's use all the maximum amount of Doge we have. So click on max, then click on continue. Okay, so as you can see, this is the interface and it's requiring you to confirm the transaction. Have you seen the network fee is $0.00, but from Bybit to this wallet we paid like 32 cents or something. Okay, so because it's an exchange, they need transaction fee, withdrawal fee to keep the company going, but this is a custodial wallet. Okay, it's like taking money out of your pocket to give to a friend. All right, so I don't think there will be any transaction fee, but from a bank to an individual I think you pay some kind of fee. Okay, so that's how it works. So we're not going to pay any kind of fee. Just 0.0096 Doge, which is not even up to 1 cent. So click on confirm. Now enter my password. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so the transaction is being processed. Okay, status is pending. So we'll receive our assets and our code 3 wallets in a few moments. All right, so let's wait. Okay, so after a few minutes our Dogecoin has been sent to that address. Okay, as you can see, minus 132.253 Doge has been sent from this wallet to the wallet address we provided, code 3. Okay, as you can see, we have our Dogecoin here. Okay, transfer in, as you can see, plus 132. It means this address just received 132.253 units of Dogecoin. So that's it. Okay, now let's try sending it back from this address to where it came from. Okay, so all we have to do is locate our wallets, wallet 5, then select Dogecoin, click on receive, copy that address, go back settings, wallets, may go 3, locate Dogecoin. If you send BNB, if you provide a Dogecoin address to BNB, your funds will be lost. So always take note of that. Okay, so let's send this one 8.35 worth of Dogecoin. So we paste in the address. Okay, so maximum, always take note of the address, right? Okay, continue. Still $0 fee. Okay, so let's proceed with the transaction. Okay, confirm. I will enter my password. And always take note of the network. Okay, if you are sending funds on the Binance Smart Chain network, make sure the address is related to Binance Smart Chain and not Arbitrum or Ethereum or any other network. Otherwise, your funds will be lost. That's how this works. So make sure you take note of the network. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so we are sending our Dogecoin to our previous address. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so we've received back our Dogecoin. Okay, so let's see. Go through. Okay, as you can see, you send the Dogecoin out to that address. Now everything is gone. We don't have any Dogecoin here. We sent it to our main address. Okay. So that's it. That's how you send and receive crypto. Okay, so I think you understand it. Any question you have, make sure you leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a good day.